Hey guys, and here we are back with another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today I've got here with me the Chromecast Google TV last generation, link right over here if you have missed that review, just to share with you an app which is at least very interesting. Now the app is called EarthCam TV, and it is, according to them, the first network of live webcams. And what got me curious is that for Android TV, I do honestly believe that it's the first. As a global platform, I'm not really sure, but I'm no one to say yes or no, so I would love to hear your comments down below what you think of this kind of service. Now, in my opinion, I would like to ask, instead of giving just my opinion, sorry for the redundancy, so that you could install the app, try it for yourself, see if it's worth it for you or not, and then come back and leave the comment down below saying, hey Robert, this is a great app I'm using for this and for that and so on and so forth, or any other opinion that you have. Now, once we open the app on Android TV, which is the thing that got curious to me, because on Android TV it's not as easy to work on pure Android. And on pure Android, I'm sure that you have tested a lot of webcam services and so on and so forth, but this is a huge network, which I will try to explain as best as I can. And on Android TV, it makes things a little bit trickier. Now, once we open, we have a guide which will help us to see how it works in terms of navigation with the remote control and so on and so forth. And this is very useful, although it's very easy. At the first time, we have no clue of what we will do, so we will go blind and try left and right, but this guide will help us. Just a small screen with instructions, very easy to use. Now, in terms of cameras, if you ask me, hey Robert, how many cameras? I don't know. I don't have enough free time to count them all because it's a huge library. It's divided by 12 categories, which are the featured one, A to Z, which will organize from A to Z, as the name states. And then we have a category for animals, beaches, cities, landmarks, lakes and oceans, nature, hometown, which is where the EarthCam TV headquarters is located. And then it also has a category called the My EarthCam, and then YouTube, and lastly a time-lapse option. So in terms of the amount of cameras, as you can see, it's a huge network, and that is true. Probably it's the first network, as they state, even worldwide, because yeah, now that I'm thinking, we have some services of webcams for one thing and for the other thing and so on and so forth, and this is a global network. So probably the sentence is correct. Now, besides the amount being huge, the quality is awesome. And I'm not really sure if I can transmit to that side of the screen after recording the screen, after rendering and after compressing on YouTube. Not really sure if you get the same quality, and you will not, but hopefully it will be enough so that you can see. Now, one thing that I did notice is that on the featured channels, which will rotate sporadically, we will have no limitation at all, at least on the testings that I've done. But once we select other channels, we will have a preview, which we can check for the quality of the video, and we can check if it's something that we want or not. And if we want to access all of them, then there's a small fee, which is $5 per year. So if you are interested, I do believe that it's a very small fee to get a service such as this one, which might be interesting for some people and might not be interesting for other people. This will really depend, and that's the reason that I do believe that the best way is to try it out, see it for yourself, see if it's the app for you or not, and then just use it the free version or use the paid version, which is $5 a year. I wish some services would cost this amount. And guys, basically this is it. Hopefully the video was helpful to have in mind this new app, which in Android TV world is a news to me, and that's the reason that I'm bringing here on the channel, so that you guys can check it out. And if it was, don't forget the usual and very appreciated thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.